Hello and welcome to your first step in mastering Power BI. Ever feel like your data is a tangled mess with no clear pattern to follow? Well, we have all been there, but the good news is you are in the right place now. By the end of this course, you will be able to turn that messy, chaotic data into clear, impactful reports and dashboards that make your life a whole lot easier. And guess what? You won't need to be a tech wizard to make that happen. I'm Shreya and I'll show you how to turn that data chaos into clarity. But before we take a deep dive into all of that, let me introduce you to my good friend Benji Bites. He's 2 months into his sales job and everything's been going smoothly until now. His boss, Mr. Boss, yes, that's his actual name, dropped the bombshell. A full sales report, complete with visuals, trends, the whole deal, by the end of the week. Now, Benji is great at making sales, but when it comes to analyzing data, well, let's say he's feeling a little overwhelmed. He reluctantly nodded along to Mr. Boss's request and then immediately called me, his trusted data guru.
Shreya, my sales job is about to turn into my sales nightmare. I've got a report to build and I don't even know where to start.
Relax, Benji, you just need Power BI.
Power be what?
Power BI, the superhero you didn't know you needed. Think of Power BI like your ultimate toolkit for data. It helps you collect data, organize it, and turn it into neat interactive reports and dashboards. You can visualize trends, track performance, and get all the insights you need in one place. It even has built-in connections to tons of data sources, so you can pull data from Excel, databases, cloud services, you name it. And once you have built your reports, you can share them with your team or your boss seamlessly. No more endless email attachments. Plus, you can even access your reports on your phone or tablet with the Power BI mobile app. So your data's always at your fingertips.
Wow, that actually sounds really impressive.
It truly is. And so here we are. Benji is now my honorary student, and just like him, you are about to embark on this data adventure. In this course, we'll download Power BI, explore its magical interface, and load data to craft stunning visuals. Then we'll explore slicers and filters and master concepts like interactivity and date hierarchies. Next, we'll polish our layout and publish our masterpiece for the world to see. By the end of it all, you'll have created your very own fully functional Power BI dashboard. We'll take it one step at a time, ensuring that you're not just surviving but thriving on your way to Power BI success.